Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about LLB course. Today I am going to talk casual talks because every day only how to pass examinations, how to overcome your failure, and subject wise I have explained, and most important questions have been explained. So today I would like to speak casual talk. This is very casual talk. Today I would like to speak. What I'm going to speak today is how we need to develop habits in our LLB life. Especially, we need to nurture some good qualities and skills in the college time itself, because this is the time we can sow seed in the soil. Means we have to nurture some good qualities and good habits in the college life. So we have I have actually adopted so many techniques, so many good qualities and so many skills. So that is the reason every day I am growing. So likewise you have to be grow. This channel has been started. Why? Because I have to strengthen especially KSLU students. I have seen many of the students have been failed in their examinations. So why they are failing their examinations, and what is the root cause analysis for that? So that is why we cannot able to pass the exams. So that is the reason today I am going to speak. We have to, apart from your syllabus, we have to nurture some skills and traits in our student life. As you all know, student is golden life that won't come back actually. So that is the reason uh, this student life we have to enjoy along with our studies. How to make in the student's life in a better manner. So I will give some of the tips how to be and how should be in student life, and what are the qualities we need to nurture. First of all, we have to get up early in the morning. First of all students has to get up early in the morning, like 5 to 5:30. If it is be- uh, below that also it is fine. Like 5 to 5:30 we have to get up. At least after getting up, please fresh up yourself, and we have to, at least we have to engage some yoga or meditation. Why yoga and meditation is required for our LLB students life? Yoga and meditations will create you discipline. Then the discipline automatically will shape your life. Without discipline and without dedications, you cannot able to pass in your LLB exams. Yoga and meditation, what that will do is that yoga and meditation will create you discipline, that will create you good character, that will boost your energy. So that is the reason yoga and meditation is required in our life. At least minimum of an hour we have to spend for yoga or meditation. You can join for art of living course, you can join for yoga course, you can join for meditation course. There are many courses are available as of now, so you can able to join. So at least if you learn techniques from those courses. You will have a systematic life. So, to be frank, I have done Art of Living course part 1 and part 2. After completion of Art of Living course, I have got discipline in my life. I have got very good qualities I have got from the course. So it is very important that for LLB students, yoga and meditation it is required. Nobody will tell these kind of tips for students life. I am telling you, whichever I have made video, all videos are my own experience and my own views and my own thoughts. I have experienced those things, so that is the reason it will be get helpful to you people to come up your life. That is the reason you see I am a Kannada medium student. I can able to speak 3 hours continuously without any break. Why? How it has come? So because of my confidence, because of consistency level, every day I do some efforts to learn something about new. So that is the reason I am growing day by day, day by day, day by day. Why? Because I have got discipline through yoga and meditation. Then second habit is reading habit. It is very important that every student has to read. Reading will leads you like anything. You can take example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You can take example of Sir M Vishwesvaraya. You can take example of at present situation Dr. Gururaja Karjagi. You can take it. Everybody they have succeeded in their life. How it is means they have a good habit of reading. Reading will leads you like anything. Of reading will give you clarity. Reading will give you shape of your life. So that is the reason whenever you get time and whenever you get opportunity to study books, please do study. Don't study in online or something like that. You have to study with books, physical books you have to study, so that you won't get tired of eyes, you won't get any feeling of stress or something. So if you would like to study books, you can purchase some books, good thought books, general knowledge books, whichever you interested you study. I don't say you have to study always law books. Law books also study. Why? Because that is required for your examinations and that is required for your future advocacy or whichever professional field it is required. It is mandatory. But along with that, you can study motivational books. Motivation is very important for our LLB students. Without motivation is like fuel. How it comes? To study about good books, then only you can study about success who have been success in their life. You can study about it, and who have been failure in their life, you can study, you will get experience. Those kind of books you can be able to study, so that reading will give you good shape for your life. It is very important that reading it is very much required whenever you feel, whether it could be morning, whether it could be evening, whether it could be afternoon, that is up to you. Time preference, that is up to you. Anytime you can study. Then next tip is do exercises. That yoga and meditation it's required for mind, but exercises it is required for our body also should always fit. If you have fit body, everybody will likes you. Even if you would like to become after completion of LLB, you would like to become advocate, you would like to become any kind of professionals, that body should be fit always. The body, why body should be always fit? If you have fit body, definitely you will get one type of strength and one type of positive attitude you will get it. So that is the reason you require exercise also in your life, at least half an hour. There is a 24 hours in our life. At least if we spend 1 hour for yoga, half an hour yoga and half an hour exercises, remaining 23 hours will be there. Apart from 23 hours you can able to sleep 8 hours. Remaining hours you can able to do your studies, you can able to attend your classes, you can able to attend, you can able to play, you can able to enjoy yourself, you can able to watch movie. Everything we have to do it. So then only we will get a good shape in your life. Then next tip is what I told, that exercise also it is very important. Then I have told already discipline, how it comes to maintain time. Discipline will create time management. In while studying LLB, you have to manage the time very effectively. You have to make one timetable that you will get up by 5, then you will do yoga and meditation for half an hour, and you will study for 1 or 2 hours in the morning. Then after you will go for classes. In classes also you will be present there, and mind will be somewhere else, and your physical body will be at the class, that won't get any use. You have to listen properly whichever lecturers saying, you have to listen and you have to gain knowledge from them. Lecturers and professor, they have very good knowledge, we have to suck the knowledge from them. So that is very important for LLB students. We have to always eager to be learn. So it is very important that we have to always eager. Ego kills, but eager will grow you like anything. Every time we should have, we are only small. We never to be perfect always. We are always little small. From small to, we have to gain knowledge. Then only will become good professional after completion of your LLB. This is how, if you plan like this, and you have to get up early and you have to sleep early. So that is very important. And even eating habits also, it is very important for LLB students. You eat healthy food, you eat vegetables more, you eat fruits. Every day you have to have 1 cup of milk, so that you will your what you call your body will be get very good, and your health status will be good. So you eat healthy food. Healthy eating habits will lead you success, and your physical body will be get improved if you have healthy food. And please don't addict alcohol or smoking. Please be good, try to quit. If you have any kind of that habit, please today onwards try to quit it. That will injurious to our health. That smoking and alcohol and any kind of drugs, that will be injurious to our health. So if you would like to grow, if you would like to become successful person, these are the good habits we have to keep in our life. Then only will be get success. So these are the points and qualities, and these are the skills which we can able to adopt in our life, so that in KSLU you can able to score very good marks, and you don't have any problem back subjects you won't get anything. In the online itself you can get all the pass in the all semester examinations. We have done like this, so you can also do like that. So if you adopt these good traits and qualities in your life, you will be a successful person. All the very best for your exams. Do well and try to adopt these habits in your life. Thank you.